Okie dokie. On the bench today, we have two PS4s. They both apparently have HDMI problems. Now, give me 2 seconds here. So, this one here, you probably can't see anything, can you? Now, this one here, it doesn't look too bad. Actually, it doesn't look bad at all, does it? I mean, you know, it might be a little out of shape, but nothing crazy. Right? Let me grab the other one here. This one is way, look at how disfigured that is. That right there, like, it's all over the place. It's all warped and everything. This one here, I mean, it doesn't look too bad either, but you can tell it is definitely shifted. I don't know how bad that's going to be, but let me start with this one. Let me back out here. Let me start with this one here. I'll tear this one down. Ooh, yeah, that's okay. It seems to me like that's been in a few times here. Okay, let me open this one up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just took this off, and this is just bent to... I can't believe how bent that is. It seems like this is not being held in properly by the screws that... Well, yeah, I can tell. This is just all over the place. Oh, my goodness. I'm gonna... Yeah, there's crap all over the place here. Okay, let me remove the two screws here, one for the hard drive and one for the bottom case, which is funny because it looks to me like the bottom case is already ready to fall off with the screw in. I don't know if the channel that holds the screw there is destroyed or not, but let me go ahead and remove that. Alrighty, so we got the board out here. I tell you right now, whoever was in there before, well, we'll just leave it at that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the HDMI port. What I can tell here, yeah, it's down, like where it's supposed to be, but it is okay. Let me turn that on. Like, it is okay. It could have been pushed down to the board a little more, but let's really take a look at what I suspect has happened here. See if I can get that down here. Well, it's supposed to be here. Oh, maybe not, eh? I might as well just do this by hand. Okay. So let's take a look at these pins, because this is what I think is really going on here. Where are we? Okay. Actually, let me get even closer here. There we go. Let's see if we can't get in there and just focus in on that. Let's see if I can't get my in here. Let's check. Oh, okay, that one's off. That one's off. That one's off. That one's off. Oh, my goodness. Okay, I don't even know if I have to go any further. They seem like they're all off. Let me refocus that for you. That might be a little easier for me to look at here. These are all off. But this has been replaced. Must not have just gotten down enough. I mean, it does happen. It does. That stuff does happen. Okay, let me... Oh, yeah, look at this anchor point. Look at that anchor point. That's not enough to hold it down. Sorry, it won't focus because being weird. But yeah, look at that. That's not enough. And all these... Okay, let me just go ahead and just do this one quickly, and let's bang this one out. Okay, that looks a lot better. I just got to clean up the flux here, but as soon as I get this in here, you'll see. There we go. That's a lot better. Make sure we don't have a short there. I'll double check that. I don't think we do. I think that's just flux in there. It is. But that is how it should be. There we go. I think this just, whoops, where am I here? I think this just got, you know, unplugged and plugged in. Just an awful lot. And yeah, whoever did that there, I don't know what they were thinking there, but yeah, that looks good to me. That looks really good to me. So let me get this cleaned up even more. Let me get all this flux out of here, and then I'll put it back together and we'll test this out. Okay, I believe I have it together enough for a quick test before I put it all back together. What did I do with the plug? Alrighty, so let me yeah, this Wi-Fi part here, I can't get that to bend properly. It has been so torn up. Oh, jeepers. Yeah, it has just been so tore up. Well, let me see. If we get an image here. Now, before, my TV wouldn't even pick up that something was plugged in. Right? So right here. Oh, it did. There we go. It would not go to HDMI 2. Now, I don't know if everything is okay, but at least we got HDMI 2 showing. Okay, that's not exactly good, is it? Yeah, that's not great. What is going on here? Give me 2 seconds here. Yeah, that's no good. That's no good. I'm going to verify the pins again before I put it back together, but yeah, we are getting nothing here, even in safe mode. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's try this one more time. Oh, that's not good. That's really not good. Wow. Yeah, that's really not good. Okay, it's gonna restart here. Hang on. Yeah, that's really not good. Oh, jeepers. Okay, so I'm going to give this one last shot. Well, gave it one last shot. So what I did was I completely removed the HDMI port, and this is, there we go. Yeah, she's in rough shape, right? But I figure I might as well anchor it down properly. Completely remove it, get it anchored down properly, and then go from there. As you can see, we're okay here. I'm just looking for shorts. I don't see any. Let me suck some of that. Look at the crap that I pulled out of that. I should get a clean one here. And that was from the anchor points there. Again, I don't know who did that, but give me 2 seconds here. Let me put you down. I know you're not going to be able to see anything, but let me get you down here. I don't even know where I am. Great video. But yeah, as you can see, I mean, there was just a massive amount of crap. It was underneath the port, really. You know, after pulling the port up and doing that, I was like, oh, somebody used not great flux. Let me really get that cleaned up here. Then we can really take a look at it. There we go. That's better. All right, let me give this one last shot. And like I said, now it's much. Yeah, I was really zoomed in there. It's much straighter. I mean, like it should be. It's it was way off. So that was bound to fail. So let me put this back together and we'll give it one more try. If not, it's probably this, and I hope it's not, but it could be. Yeah, that's no good. That's no good. I'm going to verify the pins again before I put it back together, but yeah, we are getting nothing here, even in safe mode. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's try this one more time. Oh, that's not good. That's really not good. Wow. Yeah, that's really not good. Okay, it's gonna restart here. Hang on. Yeah, that's really not good. Oh, jeepers. Hey, hold on here. Hold on here. I think I may have found what the issue was. Well, I mean, hold on. Not gonna lie, I was totally ready to give up on this one. Then I decided to reflow that Panasonic chip. I just thought to myself, because the port was so bent up, what are the chances that the pressure from pushing in may have bent the board a bit? Hey, can't make this up. Wow. Okay. So, yeah, probably shouldn't see that, but I'll have to remember to blur that out. But anyways, oh, it's all over the place. Okay, I'll have to deal with that later. Anyways, yeah, let me put this back together and hey. Okay, so we got it back together here. Let's give it one last test here. I tried my best to make this plastic fit right again, but a lot of it is just extremely warped and out of shape. So there we go. Let's hope that all is good here. Okay, we got eject. We've got power. Shoot, I forgot to put the... Doesn't matter. I forgot to put the hard drive in, but as you can see, yeah, we're good here. So hang on, let me push pause and let me put that back on or back in, and I'll be right back. Okay, now with the hard drive in, it is missing the hard drive cover too. I don't know what happened to that. Hey. I don't know if it's going to do a rebuild or what, but looks to me like we are okay, and then we can move on to this one. Hey, there we go. You know, I was almost ready to give up on this one, just because it was been through the ringer, but I mean, Excellent. Alrighty. So, there was a disc here. Oh, you know what? I think it's actually upstairs. But you know what? There we go. That's good enough for me. So, okay. Let's go ahead and shut this down. Whoa, shoot. But anyways, okay. I'll turn it back on and shut it off the proper way, but okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's move on to the second one here. Let me grab power. Has this one been taken apart too? Oh man, it's smashed up too. I know you can't see that, but it is way warped here. Okay, anyways. Okay, we got power. HDMI, that didn't go in there too bad. Let's see what we got here. That one sounds like it's got a disc in it. Gonna do the restart. Still no signal. Oh, hey. Okay. Well, that's a good sign. Uh-oh. Does that mean their HDMI cable is bad, maybe? I mean, that could very well be it. Either that or this hard drive is taking a crap on them. No, maybe not. Hang on here. We'll see. I'll bring it back. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything wrong here, but you can definitely tell from this angle. Ultra wide lens. What am I doing here? You see how far off that cover is? Sorry. Look at that. I mean, we seem all right. Seem all right here. Let me turn that off and bring you back here. Come on, you. Let me grab a controller. Give me 2 seconds here. Okay, controller in. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong here. Yeah, Call of Duty's probably in there because that disc is lit up. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with this one. Huh. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this. Not that I see, anyways. Okay. Let me get a hold of the owner and see what's going on. Yeah, I just played some zombies and it's I don't know, everything seems fine to me. So yeah, okay. I guess we're gonna leave it out here. So you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.